Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today we are reviewing Too Faced Hangover Primer on oily skin. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty videos. So this is how the Too Faced Primer looks like up close. You can see. I have my phone. I'm gonna read you guys the claims about this primer. So it claims it hydrates and brightens skin, it soothes and smooths the skin, and is paraben free, cruelty free, and vegan friendly. So next I'm gonna tell you what else it claims. It says it 100% said makeup went on smoother, 100% said makeup looked more radiant, 100% said skin looked more hydrated. So those are the claims that it says it will do. So let's put this out to the test. It retails for $35 and it's available at Ulta Beauty and Sephora. Okay, so before we continue, I'm gonna say it says here that it has coconut water and probiotic based ingredients. So okay, so this is the formula, how it looks like. It almost looks like a moisturizer, like, because it's white like a moisturizer. You can see. It smells so good. It really smells like coconuts. It says it's infused with coconut water. That is exactly true. It smells like coconut. The formula is a little thick, but it's not like a runny primer. It's not lightweight. The primer is not lightweight, but I feel the thickness of the formula of the primer as I was like blended it into my skin. But overall I just really like it. The scent is amazing. It smells so good. It's like you want to eat something that has coconuts in it. It smells delicious. I'm gonna apply some foundation now real quick. I am back, so I just applied some foundation, some mascara, and a little bit of lipstick. And so this Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer with coconut oil. My honest opinion about this is that it smells amazing. What it claims, it hydrates and brightens skins. It really does. As you can see, this primer, like my foundation didn't move whatsoever, and it really does hydrate and brighten skin. So if you rewind it from before, when I was blending the primer in, you could tell that it instantly hydrated my skin quickly, and it did an amazing job on that. And it definitely does brighten the skin, because all I did was apply some foundation. I have no bronzer, I have no highlight on my face right now. It's just the foundation, and it seems to me it brightens, it really does brightens my skin, but it instantly like hydrate my skin. Like when I was showing you guys the formula on my hand here, it almost looked like a moisturizer. It looks more like a moisturizer than a primer because the way it's white, but then as you like blend it in, it feels like you're applying a moisturizer in, because it definitely like hydrates your skin. So if you guys have oily skin and you always wanted to try the Too Faced Replenishing Face Primer, you could definitely try this out, because this will not make your face looking very shiny and greasy and whatnot. It would definitely hydrate and plump your skin. But you also have to remember, a little bit of this primer tends to go a long way, because if you apply too much of it, Of course your face is gonna look super greasy and shiny, but that's what I learned before. So just apply just a little bit on, because a little bit goes a long way, and then it will definitely hydrate and pump the skin, and your face won't look that greasy. So thumbs up for this review on oily skin. It is definitely a hit. I honestly recommend this primer for oily skin women. So if you have oily skin women, or if you're a man and if you want to try this out and always want to try it, you could definitely try this out. It is great for oily skin. It will not make your face look shiny. I really like it, so thumbs up. It is a hit for oily skin. So remember, this retails for $35 and it's available at Sephora and Ulta Beauty. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this review or for this primer on oily skin, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe right here or right here, and I'll see you in my next video.